Hi, it's Mr. Royks again. I just thought I'd do a couple of problems off of the homework sheet that I asked you to look at. Um, so if we look at problem number 2, we're going to look at the second part of that, which is solving for the density of water in pounds per cubic feet. And I'll walk you through how to set up that problem, and that way you can just double check that you're doing correctly. Again, I promise you the effort you're putting in understanding dimensional analysis and being able to get through these problems that seem very complicated and maybe long right now will pay off in the long run. So let's start off with our density of water, 1 gram per milliliter. And then let's see, let's convert the mass to pounds right away. That's an easy one because there are 454 grams per 1 pound. So now we've already got it into pounds, and the last step is to go from milliliters to feet, cubic feet. So one of the things that I can say is in 1 milliliter, there is 1 centimeter cubed. And now we have it in centimeter cubed. And now we can say there are, 2.54 centimeters per 1 inch. Now don't forget, you have to cube these values, so you have to cube the 2.54, right? The 1 doesn't matter so much, but we need to show that we've cubed that. So now we have it in cubic inches, and we can say there are 12 inches per 1 foot. Doing the same thing that we did for the inches, we are now going to cube the 12. And if we've done this correctly, we just double check. Grams cancel grams. Pounds, or excuse me, no, pounds don't cancel. That's actually not something we want to cancel. So ignore the fact that I canceled pounds. That's going to stay there. But grams cancel grams. Milliliters cancel milliliters. Centimeters cubed will be canceling centimeters cubed. Inches cubed cancels inches cubed. And then our answer is going to be in pounds per cubic foot. So pounds per cubic foot. And if I did all my math correctly, I'm getting an answer of 62.37. Now in sig figs, since we're really just dealing with 1, I guess we could go and say that this is 60 pounds per cubic foot. Alright, so we're going to jump into the next problem. We're going to do 4b. And so let's try 4b right now. So the first thing we need to recognize for 4b is we need to know the volume of a sphere, and that is 4/3, it's a 4, pi r cubed. So we're going to solve for angstroms cubed, and then we will convert that from angstrom cubed to centimeters cubed. Alright, so we're going to plug in our radius value, and we're going to plug in pi. That gives us volume is equal to 4/3 pi, and then our R value is 1.26 angstroms, and we're going to cube that value. Again, if I did my math correctly, I'm seeing a volume is equal to 8.38 angstroms cubed. So now what we want to do is we want to convert that to centimeters cubed. So we come down here, we have 8.38 angstroms cubed. I know the conversion factor is 1 angstrom is 1 e to the negative 8th centimeters. So if I want to get to cancel angstroms cubed, I need to cube 1 e to the negative 8th centimeters. As you can see, the value of angstrom cubed will cancel angstrom cubed, and we should be left with the label centimeters cubed. And the answer I get is 8.38 e to the negative 24th. And that's how you do that problem. So we'll go over the rest of these in class. Make sure you ask questions though, or schedule time to come see me if you're having problems with this. Certainly need you to understand this. Alright, see you in class.